Hi everyone. Today we will discuss the exercise 7.4 last exercise in triangles class 9 mathematics. Before going to solve exercise 7.4, first we will go through the some concepts. Till now we discussed about equal triangles, that is congruent triangle. Now inequalities in a triangles, that means now we can't find two triangles are equal in size and shapes. Now we will get the triangles with different size and shape. Actually in this chapter we have two types, triangles are two types, that is congruent triangle. Second one is unequal triangles. In congruent triangle we can see triangles are equal in size and shape, but in unequal triangles are different in size and shape. It is larger than this triangle. Now we are going to deal with these triangles. This already over. For inequalities in a triangle we will see the some properties. A, B, C is a triangle. So for this triangle, what is the properties what we can write? The sides of a triangle, sum of any two sides of a triangle are equal to the or greater than third side. Then only the given dimensions are forms the triangle. If suppose example 3 4 3 4 7, these are the dimensions of the sides of a triangle. And then whether three dimensions will form triangle or not, how we can justify this condition will help us to justify whether these dimensions form the triangle or not. So now take any two sides. Let me take 3 and 4, two sides. 3 plus 4, sum of any two sides is greater than third side. Third side is 7, so 7. 3 plus 4 is 7, third side is 7. So these two are equal. We are not getting sum of any two sides is greater than third side, we are not getting. Therefore here sum of any two sides not greater than third side. Therefore given measurements will not form triangle. If suppose if you choose 3 and 7, 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7 we will get the 10. 10 is greater than third side is 4. This time third side is 4. So it is satisfying. First we have to check any two, these two. Then again we have to check 3 and 7. Then again we have to check 7 and 4. Here one more is 7 and 4. 4 plus 7. We will get the 11. 11 is greater than third side is 3. This time third side is 3. So 11 is greater than 3. So these two conditions are satisfying, but when we are adding these two sides, we are not getting greater than the third side. So even one condition will fail. We can justify sum of any two sides is not greater than third side. So given measurements will not form the triangle. Like this we have to justify. And one more property is side opposite to smaller angle is small. Converse of this statement is angle opposite to smaller side of a triangle is smaller. We will see the figure here, then you can understand. This is a one triangle A, B, C. If suppose it is 30 degrees, 60 degrees, it is 90 degrees. Our statement is side opposite to the smaller angle. Smaller angle is from 30, 90, 60. Smaller is 30. For 30 degrees, opposite side is BA. BA is smaller. BA side BA is smaller side of triangle ABC. Like this we have to justify. And here one more point is, for converse of this statement, that is angle opposite to the smaller side of a triangle is smaller. Which is the smaller side? BA is the smaller side. For this side, opposite angle is 30 degrees. So angle C is smaller in triangle ABC. One more point we can write. Angle C is smaller in triangle ABC. One more point is, side opposite to larger angle is larger. Converse of this statement also true. In this figure only we can check this one. Side opposite to larger angle. Which is a larger angle? Among 30, 90, 60. 90 is larger. So for 90, opposite side is BC. Therefore, BC is larger side. Why? Angle A is larger. So for angle A, opposite side is BC. We can justify BC is larger side. And for converse of this statement is, angle opposite to larger side is larger. Opposite side is BC. Larger side is BC. For BC, opposite side is angle A. Therefore, angle A is larger in triangle ABC. So remember these points, 3 points in inequality triangles. So it is easy to solve the exercise 7.4. Thank you.